Oh yeah, what's going on everyone? Nick Newsom here. Want to make a video for you real quick. I hope everyone is doing great. Happy New Year. I hope you're doing good out there. I hope you're staying safe away from COVID. In this video, I want to talk to you about something that's coming up, a product I've been working on. I've been talking about this, um, but I want to talk about it. It's a new way for you to make money as an Uber driver, as a Lyft driver, and I want to talk about that because no one's talking about it right now. I think it's the best way for you to make money as an Uber driver or as a Lyft driver, basically as a rideshare driver. But I want to talk about that. No one is talking about it and I don't know why. It's probably the best way you can make money as an Uber driver right now, especially from home. And that's what I'm doing right now. I'm working right here. I'm working on my computer. And we got a lot of glare there, but doing some work. Got some coffee there on the table, and then my daughter's over here. She's watching her shows on the tablet. Cat's lounging. And this is what I'm doing. I'm making money as an Uber driver from home, and I want to share that with you. So that's basically what I'm doing. But let's talk about that real quick. Like, what are the ways that you can make money as an Uber driver, right? Uber and Lyft driver, rideshare driver. So you can drive Uber X, you can drive Uber Eats, you can drive Uber XL, and then you can do Black, right? And then on Lyft, what can you do? You can do Lyft Economy, you can do Lyft Lux, you can do Lyft Black and Black XL, right? Or Lyft XL, you can do that as well. So there's premium modes, there's regular modes, there's Uber Eats. You could even do Instacart, right? And I think there's a couple new things coming out with Uber and Lyft, but I'm not really sure. You can help with, they're adding groceries, which is the same thing as Instacart, and then they also have. I think you can do like medical supplies if someone needs medical supplies now with Lyft. I think they're starting to do that as well. And but those are some ways. But you have to trade your time for that, right? So you actually have to be there driving. But there's actually another way that you can earn money as an Uber driver, Lyft driver, Instacart shopper. But nobody ever talks about this. I check Facebook, I check blogs, I check everywhere, but nobody's actually talking about this. And I'm like, why is nobody talking about this? Well, what I'm gonna do, I'm putting this project together. So today is Saturday, the January 16th. Yeah, because yesterday was my birthday. I turned 42. Woohoo! 42. I'm an old man. I'm 42. Yes, I'm 42, baby. But I want to make this video real quick talking about it. So next Sunday, I'm launching this program. And this program, say hi. This is my daughter Ella. Say hi. I'm launching this program. I'm launching this course. All right. It's going to be a training, really, is what it is. But I'm going to launch this training. It's going to talk about that last way that you can make money as an Uber driver, as a Lyft driver, from home, not even working. And some of you might know what this is. If you know what it is, go ahead and comment below what this method is. And if you don't know, I want to hear, comment below, I don't know. So, but pay attention. I'm going to be dropping videos all this week. I'm going to be dropping videos. Also, I'm going to be doing some lives. We have to do the dash cam giveaway. I'm going to be closing up the dash cam giveaway. All right, we're going to be ending this. So if you haven't got on the list yet, get on the list. This will be going on. Link is in the description. Get on that list, and then, like I said, next weekend I'm going to be launching this program, and it's going to show you exactly what you need to do to how to make money without even driving as an Uber driver, Lyft driver, Instacart shopper. I've made over $10,000 with this method from home, and I want to share it with you. I want to share with you everything that I've done. So make sure you pay attention, click the bell, make sure you get notified for all of my notifications. Like, I don't put out a lot of videos lately. I will be starting to do more, but I will be going live this week. So make sure you catch the lives, all right? There's going to be giveaways going on during the lives, and that's it. So I hope you're doing well, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.